Hi, good afternoon. Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna cook some curry eggplant. All right. Some people call it belange, or we call it eggplant. All right. So far, I got that 3 eggplant. I get some edo. I get half an onion. I get like four flake of garlic. I get a half a pepper. I got some scallion. All right. I'm gonna cut these up. I have the edo. All right. I'm gonna add some of this turmeric, curry powder, the jeera, and the masala. Okay. The masala is like 1 teaspoon. Half a teaspoon of masala, half a teaspoon of jeera, and 2 teaspoons of curry powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, okay, and a teaspoon of salt. All right. I'm gonna put it to face the stove, so you guys can see, okay. All right. I'll show you guys the pot, okay. Let's get started. Put this down. Show you. Oh man, let's see. Scam. Here we go. Nice, beautiful. Put it on. I'm cut up the eggplant by time. They're getting hot. Guys, I appreciate you guys, man. You guys supporting my channel, really appreciate it. Yes, and thank you guys for supporting me, man. You know, I love cooking. I cook every day. That's my thing, man. I cook here, I cook at work. You know, I love the passion of cooking. I love what I do. You have to love something for you, know what it is. Some people take it just for the money. I'm not for that. When I go to my job, I give 110% on my job. All right. This onion and peppers, I'm gonna blend it in a blender. All right, with a little bit of water, just loosen it up. Let's blend up. A little touch of water. I'm going to add the turmeric. I'm going to show you guys, okay? This much turmeric, okay? So you're going to have curry powder. Curry powder. 1, see? 1, 2, okay? Masala. A little bit, okay? Half. The jeera, same thing. A little bit, all right? I'm gonna add the salt now. Alright, salt, teaspoon, okay. Let it cook, let it curry cook, and then add the potatoes, the arrow. Add the arrow. That's the arrow. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, now this is washed already. This is a blanji, what they call eggplant. I smelled it already. See guys, see me doing this cutting of this eggplant. Okay. That's it, okay, eggplant. And I'll add some water and let this cook down. Let me get some hot water. Always guys, when you guys cooking, always add hot water. It doesn't drop the flavor of your food. If you put cold water, it's gonna mess it up. Always add hot water. Always have hot water boiling on the stove. Or yes, or you can use the hot water from the pipe if you want. I'm gonna let this boil and I'm gonna come back and show you guys at the end of it, okay? You guys see, let's go. We're gonna have roti with this eggplant. All right, I'm gonna come back and show you guys, okay? That's halfway, almost. See, almost there. Eggplant curry with Edo. Right, come back in the next next 5 minutes and look at it, okay? Alright guys, you guys subscribe to my channel, alright? Give it a like and a support, okay? Thanks guys. Beautiful curry eggplant, alright? Delicious. Arrow, alright? Beautiful arrow. Alright, nice curry eggplant, okay guys? Look at that. Beautiful, okay? Guys, subscribe to the channel. This will work perfect with non-roti, regular roti, sada roti. You know my video, the half sada roti, you guys can make it. Eggplant, simple, alright, delicious. Subscribe to the channel. Once again, thank you guys again for supporting my channel. Alright, beautiful eggplant, man.